goes the Diesel. Duck was very proud of being Great Western. He talked endlessly about it. There are two ways of doing things, the Great Western way or the wrong way. I'm Great Western. And don't we know it, groaned the other engines. They were glad when a visitor came. Here is Diesel, said Sir Topham Hatt. I have agreed to give him a trial. He needs to learn. Please teach him, Duck. Diesel purred after Duck. Your worthy Topham Hatt thinks I need to learn. He is mistaken. We Diesels don't need to learn. We know everything. We come to a yard and improve it. We are revolutionary. Oh, said Duck. If you are thingamy, perhaps you would collect my freight cars while I fetch Gordon's coaches. Diesel, delighted to show off, purred away. When Duck returned, Diesel was trying to take some freight cars from a siding. They were old and empty. They hadn't been touched for a long time. Diesel found them hard to move. Ooh-ah! Ooh-ah! The freight cars groaned. We can't! We won't! Diesel lost patience. Grrrr! He roared and gave a great heave. We can't! We won't! Cried the freight cars. Some of their brakes snapped and the gear jammed in the sleepers. Diesel shot forward on his own. Chuckled Duck. Duck ran round to where all the other freight cars stood in line. Thank you for arranging these, Diesel, he said. I must go now. Don't you want this lot? No, thank you. Diesel gulped. Why didn't you tell me? You never asked me. Besides, said Duck, you were having such fun being retro whatever it was you said. Goodbye. Diesel had to help the workmen clear the mess. He hated it. All the freight cars were laughing and singing at him. Grrr, growled Diesel, and he scuttled away to sulk in the shed. Poor old Diesel. But that's what you get when you try and show off.